Hey friends, Chris Maholka here. This is number 5 in my paint mixing series. People that do model airplanes and also fishing lures know that the metallic colors are very important. And they're also some of the more expensive paints you can buy. Silver, gold, bronze, and copper. Now, these all work in a variety of situations, but you really don't need to buy these expensive paints. All you need to buy is your silver, and a metallic silver, and this is a Wicked, and then have some red and some yellow on hand, and you can mix all those other colors. I'm going to show you how it's done right now, so let's take a shot at this. The reason we can mix all these metallic colors with just silver and yellow and magenta, or a bright red, is because they're all warm colors. Now, of course, silver being an element, it's got its own color, but that's irrelevant to what we're doing. So we're going to shake it good and squirt out a nice area of silver. I'm going to shake it again here. It's good enough so you can see it well. Now, if we're trying to match our metallic gold, you can see that the gold is pretty much a yellow. So we're going to start by adding a few drops of yellow to this, and we'll mix it up. Now this is transparent yellow, so it's going to let some of the silver come through, but it gives a nice swirled effect once it's mixed. And it's going to take just a little bit of red to get us to the gold stage rather than being in the yellow stage. So I'm going to take a little bit of the red and add just a drop of that. And mix it in and see if that gets us closer. And you don't want to overdo it with the magenta or the red, because you do that, you'll take it closer to one of the other colors, and I'll be going there here just very shortly. Not quite enough. Still a little bit light on both the yellow and the red, so a couple more drops. Just a tiny bit more of the red, and I'm saying just a tiny bit. I'm going to squeeze out a little onto this matchstick and add it, because I don't want a full drop in there. I don't want to add that much quite yet. Again, we'll mix it up, and if you watch my first video, you'll see in this series you'll see the hows and whys of why I'm mixing the way I am. If I was mixing this for airbrush, I would probably mix in a cup rather than flat, but it makes it so much better for you guys to see it doing it this way. So that's looking better. You can see the streaks in it. That's because of the transparent colors I'm using. But that gets us pretty close to our gold. Could do a little more yellow to get us there, but we're going to call that gold right now. Now I'm going to take it a step farther, and we're going to take it to the bronze stage. Now, bronze is copper and tin traditionally. So all we're going to do is add a little more magenta or red to this to warm it up a bit more. About like that. You can see that it doesn't take much to make these color changes. If I overdid it a little bit, I could add a little more silver to it. Wouldn't want to add any more yellow because I don't want to take it to the a real strong color shift of yellow quite yet. So by adding that just the red to our gold color, now we've got our bronze color. Try to scoop a little bit more of this into the center there. And if you compare this color we currently have to copper, you can see that the copper is a little more, still more red and more yellow. So we're just going to add another drop of red to it. Another drop or two of yellow. Get it off the finger there. I kind of missed with the drop of red. Let's give it one more drop of red. Or two. And we'll get that stirred together well. Might be a little bit red, could use just a touch more yellow. We'll mix the one in and leave the other one sit there for the moment and see how it looks. We'll know if we need more yellow or not. There. Now we're going to put the yellow in. It'll get it a little bit closer to our other mixed color. And again, all of this is subjective to what somebody's color should look like, but now you have copper. So that's how you take your basic silver, adding different levels of yellow and magenta to it, and you wind up being able to get your colors of your basic silver, your gold, your bronze, and your copper just by mixing it to a stronger intensity. Thanks for watching, and look forward to my next videos.